So in this video, we are going to learn how to convert files using CloudConvert and upload to OneDrive automatically. Let's say you're getting some files into a specific format which you're storing in OneDrive and you want to convert this file format from one to another. Let's say you are getting MP4 video files and you want to convert the MP4 files into MP3 audios. So using this automation, you can completely automate this process. All you have to do is just upload the file into your OneDrive folder. After uploading the file, using this automation, we are going to automatically send that file to CloudConvert, and using CloudConvert, we are going to convert the file from the original format to our desired file format. And after converting it, we are going to upload the converted file back into another folder in our OneDrive account as well. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this automation all by yourself, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is a folder named as video file in my OneDrive account. And in this folder, I'm uploading the video files in MP4 format. Now I want to convert these video files which I'm uploading here using CloudConvert. And then using CloudConvert, I want to change the format of those MP4 files to MP3. And I want to upload the MP3 files into some other folder in same OneDrive account. Here you can see I have another folder named as MP3 files. Now to automate this process, we have to connect our OneDrive account with CloudConvert. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. Now to access Pabbly Connect, you will get the free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after creating your account, you will reach to this Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and here we have to create an automation workflow. Click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as OneDrive to CloudConvert. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then after that, just select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this automation and click on Create. And as we click on Create, here you can see the automation workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, you can see 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect our OneDrive account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever a new file will be uploaded into a specific folder in our OneDrive account, whose format we want to change, which we want to convert, automatically the same file will be received inside Pabbly Connect. That new file will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the same file to CloudConvert. And using CloudConvert, we are going to change the format of that file. After changing the file format and getting the link of the changed file, updated file format, we will be uploading the same updated file, the new format file, into another folder in our OneDrive account. So let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger window in Choose app, we are going to search for OneDrive over here. And in this video, I'm just taking an example of MP4 files and MP3 files. But you can set up the same automation for any kind of files as you want. You can change the format of any type of file using this simple automation. After selecting OneDrive in Trigger application, in Trigger event from the drop-down, select New File over here. After selecting the trigger event, just click on Connect and then select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our OneDrive account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Connect with Microsoft OneDrive button. Then because we have already logged into our OneDrive account in our browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account over here. We just have to scroll down in this pop-up window and then just click on this Accept button. And as we click on Accept, we will see our OneDrive account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is to set the folder path, that in our OneDrive account, new files from which specific folder we want to receive inside Pabbly Connect. So here in OneDrive account, I have created this folder named as video files. And this is the path of this particular folder. My files basically my home folder and then video files. So we are going to enter the path of this same folder over here. And to enter the path, we have to basically replace these arrows with slash as it is mentioned over here in the help text. So I'll just enter the path as slash video files. So make sure that you enter the exact same path, exact same name of the folder or the subfolder from which you want to capture a new file. If you have created any kind of subfolders over here in the path, you have to mention those subfolders as well from which you want to get the new files. After entering the folder path, it is asking us event type. In the drop down, right now we have only one option of new file created, so we are going to select it. After selecting this, when we will click on this Save and Send Test Request button, the details of the last file, the most recent file which we have basically uploaded on this folder will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So before clicking on this, let's upload a new file in this folder. I'll just click on New button, File Uploads, and I have this video over here. This is a short video. I'll just upload this file in this folder of OneDrive. So we have started the uploading process. Now let's wait for this upload to be completed. Okay, so as you can see, this file upload is completed over here. We have successfully uploaded this file in MP4 format, this video in MP4 format over here in this video files folder. Now we'll get back to Pabbly Connect and click on this Save and Send Test Request button. Now as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we are going to receive some response over here. And in this response, we will get the details of this exact same file, the most recent file which we have uploaded. We have the web URL, web view link of the same file, the same video which we have uploaded. We have the resolution. We have the other details related to this files over here. We'll scroll down further. Here you can see the name of the file, the same file name which we have uploaded. Shorts-d1.mp4. We have the same file name. We'll scroll down. Here you can see the download URL of this same file as well. So here you can see using this particular link, we can download the same file too. And you can see some other details related to the same file. So this means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully received new files from our OneDrive folder inside Pabbly Connect. Now after this, let's move to step 2. In step 2, we are going to send this same file to CloudConvert so that we can change the format of this file. We can convert this file from one format to another, from MP4 to MP3, just for an example. So we will just scroll down, come to this action step, and here in Choose App, we will search for CloudConvert. Just select it. After selecting CloudConvert, in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Convert a File. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our CloudConvert account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this Connect with CloudConvert account. Now because we have also logged into a CloudConvert account in our browser, we will just scroll down over here in this pop-up window and click on Authorize. And as to click on Authorize, we will see our CloudConvert account will get connected with Pabbly Connect over here. After making the connection, it is asking us file URL. That what is the URL, what is the link of the file whose format we want to change. So we have received the download URL of the OneDrive file in the trigger step. So here from this trigger step responses, we are going to send this response of download URL of the file to this CloudConvert action step. And to add the URL from trigger step responses to this action step, we will use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of file URL, and here in this drop-down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from OneDrive of a new file. Out of all of these responses, select this response of download URL and it will be mapped over here. After that, it is asking us input format, that in which particular format we have the files right now. So we are uploading the video files in MP4 format over here. So from this drop-down, we are going to search for MP4 and select it. After selecting the input format, it is asking us the output format, that to which format we want this file to convert to. So in this dropdown, I'm going to select MP3 for example. So I'll just select MP3 over here. After that, at last, it is asking us file name, that what will be the name of the output file. And we have to enter the file name with the proper file extension. So I don't want to change the name. I want the same file name by the name which we have uploaded in our OneDrive account, the same file name over here. So we will just click on this field, and from OneDrive responses, we will select this response of file name over here and map it. And in the file name which we get from OneDrive, we have the proper file extension as well. After giving the file name, we will just scroll down, and here we have the important note which says, after this action step, apply a delay of 5 to 7 minutes. Then map the job ID from the response of this action in the next action step. So it is asking us that we have to add a delay of 5 to 7 minutes. We have to allow CloudConvert some time to basically convert this file over here from one format to another. And after that, after waiting for some time, after adding the delay, we have to use the action step of CloudConvert, that is get job details. So let's do it. First, we'll click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received the response. And in this response, you can see we have the status as waiting. This means CloudConvert has started transferring this file or converting this file from one format to another format. Now we have to basically allow CloudConvert some time. So we have to add a delay of 5 to 7 minutes approximately, depending upon the size of the files which you are converting using this automation. So to add a delay, just click on this Add Action Step button over here, and then here in Choose App, we will search for Delay over here. Just select Delay Pabbly. After selecting Delay Pabbly, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Add Time Delay. Then just click on Connect. After clicking on Connect, it is asking us how much delay you want to put in workflow. So here in this drop-down, we have two options, Delay For and Delay Until. So let's say we want to add a delay for 5 minutes. So we are going to select Delay For over here. In delay units, we are going to select the units as minutes over here, and in value, I'm going to add 5. And then just click on Save and Send Test Request. And after that, here you can see we have added a delay of 5 minutes over here. This means after triggering this automation, it will automatically send the file to CloudConvert for converting it. And after sending this file, this automation workflow will be delayed for 5 minutes. So this workflow will wait for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, it will continue after this step. So after waiting for 5 minutes, what we want to do, we want to get the same file which we have sent to CloudConvert for conversion. So just click on this Add Action Step button, and then here in Choose App, search for CloudConvert over here. Just select it. After selecting CloudConvert, this time in Action Event from the drop-down, we have to select the action event as Get Job Details. Then just click on Connect. And because we have connected our CloudConvert account with Pabbly Connect in the previous step, we don't have to make a new connection. You can select the existing connection and click on Save. And here you can see our CloudConvert account will once again get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the only thing it asks us is the job ID. So in the previous step of CloudConvert, when we sent our file for conversion, in the response you can see we have received a response of data ID. This is our job ID. And we are going to map the same response of job ID in this Get Job Details action step. And the process of mapping stays the same. Just click on this field. From the drop-down from CloudConvert, convert a file responses, select the response of data ID from this drop-down and map it. And after mapping the data ID, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received the response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows the status is finished. This means CloudConvert has successfully changed the format of this file which we have sent. And we'll scroll down further and we'll get the same file name over here, and then here you can see the URL as well. This is the URL of the converted file. We will just copy this URL from here and paste it in a new tab. And here you can see the converted file, the MP3 file is downloaded. We'll just open this file over here.
60 applications in 30 days.
And yes, here you can see this is the MP3 format. This is the same file which we have uploaded in our OneDrive account, but this time the file is in MP3 format. This means the step 2 of setting up this automation of converting the file using CloudConvert is also completed. Now let's move to the final step where we want to upload this file into another folder in our OneDrive account. For that, just click on this Add Action Step button over here, and here in Choose App, we will search for OneDrive over here once again. Just select it. After selecting OneDrive, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Upload a File. Then just click on Connect, and because we have connected our OneDrive account in the trigger step, we don't have to make a new connection. You can select the existing connection and click on Save. And as we click on Save, here you can see a OneDrive account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, here it is asking us for the folder list. So in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the folders which we have in OneDrive account. Out of all of this, in which particular folder we want to upload the file, we have to select it. So there is a folder named as mp3 file. In this folder, I want to upload the mp3 format of the file over here. So from this drop down, we will just search for the same folder mp3 files and select it. So here from CloudConvert, while getting the job details, while getting the file URL, we have also received the response of the file name. So we are going to use the same response of file name and map it over here with the proper file extension. Then it is asking us for file URL. Let's click on this field. And from the response of CloudConvert get job details, we have received the response of the file URL over here of the converted file. Select this response of file URL and map it. And here in file, we will be selecting default. So what we have done from CloudConvert responses, we have basically mapped the response of file name and file URL and selected the folder in our OneDrive account in which we want to upload the file. And after this, let's click on save and send test request. And as we click on save and send test request, here you can see we have received the response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that this particular file which CloudConvert gave us after converting it from one format to another from MP4 to MP3, this MP3 file is now uploaded in some other folder in our OneDrive account. So let's check it. We will just go to OneDrive, we will just refresh this folder once. And yes, here you can see the same file is converted into MP3 format and is now added over here in our OneDrive account as well. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once. I'll go back to the original folder in our OneDrive account and we are going to upload another file, another MP4 file over here. So I'll just go to new over here, files upload, and here I have a video named as new file. Let's upload this video onto this video files folder on our OneDrive account. And this video is uploaded, this MP4 file is uploaded. Now as we upload this file over here, we will see within 10 minutes, this automation workflow will trigger. Pabbly Connect automation will capture this new file in our OneDrive folder. And it basically takes 10 minutes of time because the connection between OneDrive and Pabbly Connect trigger is a polling based connection. And in this type of connection, Pabbly Connect will check for new files in our OneDrive folder every 10 minutes. So within 10 minutes, this automation workflow will start. It will capture this new file and then it will send this file to CloudConvert. Using CloudConvert, we will convert this MP4 file into MP3 and after sending it for conversion, we will wait for 5 minutes. This automation workflow will be delayed for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, we'll upload the same file into the another folder in our OneDrive account. So what we have to do? So basically, we just have to wait for 15 minutes over here. So let's wait for 15 minutes. Okay, so now we have successfully waited for 15 minutes. Now let's get back to our OneDrive account and we'll just refresh this MP3 files folder once. And yes, here you can see new file. The same MP4 file which we have uploaded is now converted into MP3 using CloudConvert and the same MP3 file is now uploaded in our OneDrive folder as well. This means the automation workflow which we have created, we have tested this automation in real time and it is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this same automation into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation for free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.